Hello everyone, we are living on a planet where humanity, since ancient times Kim has always called it Earth, has all the knowledge and perceptions of each individual as well as our entire lives. All revolve around the third planet based on the distance of this solar system when we were children. Perhaps many times we have admired how vast and magnificent this world is. However, the more we grow up, we begin to realize that this Earth is very small. So have you ever wondered what our Earth would look like if we were to step out of the solar system compared to the entire scale of the universe and how big the universe really is? 5 Minutes Discovery. Let's find out. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel to support 5 Minutes Discovery, and click on the notification button so you don't miss any videos. Last time's video we ourselves discovered the ocean, and today's video we continue to fly into space to explore. The universe is an endless space containing galaxies. Each galaxy is a collection of many celestial bodies, such as stars, planets, satellites, comets, etc., along with gas, dust and electromagnetic radiation. The universe we observe today contains about 10 billion galaxies. The galaxy containing the Sun and its planets, including Earth, is called the Milky Way. Our galaxy consists of 10-11 stars, has a flat spiral disk shape, radius about equals 45,000 nars. Up to now, the world has not found a way to accurately determine the overall size of the universe. Stars are the most basic building blocks of the universe and they combine together to forming star clusters, nebulae and galaxies. However, the mass of stars is relatively negligible. Scientists have discovered giant stellar explosions, giant flares of stellar explosions that release as much energy as all the stars in the entire galaxy combined. There are also the mystery and fear of black holes hidden in the universe. However, even the enormous size and mass of the universe cannot compare with the timescale of the universe. The age of the universe is about 13.8 billion years, but this number is almost insignificant compared to its enormous spatial scale. Galaxies and nebulae in the universe need hundreds of millions of years of evolution to form today's spectacle. The universe is a vast and mysterious existence, where there are countless miracles and unknowns, always makes people confused in discovery. With the advancement of technology and the development of scientific theories, we gradually realize that the universe may not only exist in the three-dimensional space we are familiar with, but is also capable of existing. Spatial curvature and parallel universes. In traditional geometry, we often think of space as flat, but in fact, according to general relativity, space can actually be curved. This is because mass and energy change the surrounding space, giving it curvature. We often use Einstein's famous gravitational equation E=mc2 to describe this phenomenon, that is, the presence of mass and energy affects the properties of spacetime. Arguably, the curvature of space is the basis for the wonders of the universe. A common form of curvature of space is the presence of gravity. Newtonian physics believes that gravity is caused by mass attracting other objects, but according to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity is essentially the curvature of spacetime due to mass and energy. Cause. The existence of this curvature of spacetime causes objects to be affected by gravity. For example, the curvature of spacetime around Earth causes objects to be attracted by Earth's gravity. The solar system is a planetary system with the Sun at the center and celestial bodies within the Sun's gravitational pull, all of which were formed from the collapse of a giant molecular cloud recently. 4.6 billion years. The solar system consists of the Sun and 9 planets orbiting it, in nearly circular elliptical orbits. The inner ring has 4 solid planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. The outer ring has 5 gas planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Between Mars and Jupiter there is a belt of asteroids with diameters ranging from a few tens of meters to several hundred kilometers. All planets have from 1 to 22 satellites, except Mercury and Venus. There are also some comets, which consist of a solid nucleus of dust and ice with a tail of water vapor extending millions of kilometers around the Sun in very elliptical orbits. Earth, the third planet from the Sun, along with the Moon, a single satellite, creates a special dual planetary system. Earth is the largest of the inner planets of the Solar System with a diameter at the equator of 12,756 kilometers. Seen from space, the Earth is blue, brown and green with frequently changing white clouds. The Earth's surface has a property that no other planet has. Two states of matter coexist side by side in both solid and liquid form. The boundary area between sea and land is the only place in the universe where matter exists stably in all three states: solid, liquid and gas. Planet Earth moves in a nearly elliptical orbit. The Sun is not at the center of the ellipse, but at one of the two foci. During a year, sometimes the Earth is close, sometimes a little far from the Sun, because its elliptical orbit is almost circular. Every year, in January, the Earth is about 5 million kilometers closer to the Sun than in July. This difference is too small compared to the distance from the Sun to the Earth. We do not feel this difference in one revolution of the Earth around the Sun, or in 1 year. This difference in distance has almost no effect on winter and summer on Earth. Only the thing is that in winter we are a little closer to the Sun than in summer. The Earth moves around the Sun, and at the same time it also rotates around its axis. During one revolution around the Sun, the Earth rotates 365 1/4 times around its axis. Rotation around the Sun creates the 4 seasons. Rotation around the axis creates day and night on Earth. The Earth's rotation axis is not perpendicular to the orbital plane, so we have winter and summer. The Earth rotates, so it appears to us standing on the Earth that the fixed stars are firmly attached to the celestial sphere revolving around us. The Earth's rotation is not so fast that its centrifugal force can shoot us out into space. The centrifugal force acts on all objects that rotate with the Earth, but is extremely small. The centrifugal force is greatest at the equator. It pulls all objects upward and makes them a little lighter. Therefore, all objects at the equator weigh 5/1000ths less than those at the poles. The consequence of rotation is that the Earth is no longer a perfectly round sphere, but centrifugal force causes it to bulge a bit at the equator. This difference is actually insignificant. The Earth's radius at the equator is 6,378,140 kilometers, nearly 22 kilometers larger than the distance from the poles to the center of the Earth. Life and oceans capable of creating life exist only on Earth. On other planets closest to us, Venus is too hot and Mars is too cold. The water on Venus has now evaporated into steam, and the water on Mars has frozen into ice below its surface. Only our planet is suitable for liquid water with temperatures ranging from 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. And the most interesting and difficult questions that humanity is still discovering and finding answers to are: what things are there outside the universe and the solar system in the universe, an observable universe with a diameter of 93 billion light-years, so how large is the rest of the universe? If you feel interested, remember to like and subscribe to the channel to support me, and don't forget to share with everyone. Click on the notification bell if you don't want to miss any video of 5 Minutes Discovery. Hello and see you again. I is 5 Minutes Discovery.